Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate with SageMaker Experiments for tracking runs step by step clearly. To authenticate with SageMaker Experiments for tracking your runs, start by setting up your AWS credentials. Ensure you have the AWS command line interface, or CLI, installed. Open your terminal or command prompt. Run the command AWS configure to set your AWS credentials. You will be prompted to enter your AWS access key ID. Next, input your AWS secret access key. Specify the region where your SageMaker resources are located. If you're not sure, use the default region like us East 1. Set the output format, commonly in JSON, but you can choose others like text or table. Now that your credentials are correctly configured, you can move to your Python environment. Install the Boto3 library if you haven't done so already. Run pip install Boto3 in your terminal to install it. Next, open your preferred code editor or Jupyter Notebook. Import the necessary libraries at the beginning of your script. You'll typically need Boto3 and SageMaker. Set up a SageMaker session using SageMaker Session. This will manage interactions with the SageMaker APIs efficiently. To start a new experiment, first create an experiment object using the experiment class from the SageMaker.Experiments module. Define the name for your experiment, which should be unique. You may also want to add a description for clarity. After creating the experiment, you can start a new trial. Use the trial class, passing in the experiment object to track various runs. Each trial will represent a single run of your model. Set parameters and metrics to monitor inside the trial. You can log different metrics during the training process. Utilize the log metric method to record these values. Once your run is completed, ensure you finalize and save the trial. Use the close method to make sure all information is recorded. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.